What's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Man coming back to you from the set. And, bruh, listen, got to re up the other day. Well, yeah, another pair of SBs, bruh. I know it's been 2 months, well, 3 months as of yesterday. Yeah, we running through these SBs, bruh. And I don't see that train slowing down as long as they keep that price point where it's at. So, yeah, what we have in today is it's a peculiar pair of SB ducks, right? Only because of the materials that's on these SBs. And bruh, I, I already heard about them, but it wasn't until I got them in the lab and got my paws on them, bruh, that I realized that these joints are nasty. Let's get at it. So today, bruh, let's read the box tab. Let's see. We have the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the deep royal blue and sail colorway. We got something else in there too. They don't mention the green at all. We just got deep royal blue and sail. There's definitely some green on these shoes, man. So that's what the box tag says. It's a size 13, my size. And yeah, man, let's take a look at them, bro. Look at them, bro. Come on, man. We ain't even waste no time with it. We just gonna look at that. The suede on these shoes is freaking nuts. Yo, I'm alright with these. Like, I had to take a pause when I got them because I was like, yo, the UPS man was playing with me. He showed up yesterday at like 1 o'clock, parked the truck front of the house, went in the back of the truck, and yeah, I'm sitting in the garage because that's where I work sometimes because I need to change the scenery. He comes back, he starts the truck up. I walk up to the screen like, hey, bro, you ain't got nothing for me? He's like, I can't find it. I'll be back though if I find it. Now, a thousand things was running through my head, but only one stuck. Like, bro, this dude been bringing me shoes forever, man. I know that he ain't do it. I know he don't, cause I've been had the same UPS driver since we moved here, and yeah, it's been a minute, and ain't never let me down. I done had some unique stuff come to the crib, and it always made it here. So yesterday I was tweaking. I was like, bro, not this time. But I wasn't tweaking too bad, cause it's a pair of SBs. I can get these anyway. So, but not for retail, not in my size. So I went off to Best Buy or whatever and came back and they were on the front porch. So my UPS guy is the truth. I doubted him for a hot second, but I knew better. But I did. But anyway, the materials on these joints, man, is absolutely bananas, man. And like I said, look at that, bro. That's some nice action right there with that suede, man. I can write my name in this suede, bro. Look at that. You got the Nike SB Pro on the tongue, and they come with a set of green laces. Whether I'm gonna use these green laces, I don't know. But I feel like I need some sail laces just because you got the sail on the swoosh and you got the sail midsole here. But you do have the green and the deep royal blue on the outsole on the pod there. So what am I gonna wear these with? Bruh, I have no freaking idea. Just like the Burgundy Crush, I like the materials, I like the shoe, but I have yet to figure out what I'm gonna wear. Well, okay, the Burgundy Crush, yeah, we got a few ideas of what to wear with those. But these, man, it look like it's gonna be some old school Kansas City Royal type stuff. But this is a darker, yeah, I don't know, bro. We gonna figure it out though, and then we gonna bring it to you here on the set. So, yeah, I I like this shoe, man. I really do. It's something about the sail colorway on these dark colors, man. It just it sets it off for me. That's what it does. But we ain't gonna spend all day on these, bruh. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this sneaker. Like for me, it's probably, I ain't even gonna rank them. I ain't gonna do that because yeah, I'm holding true to what I said though. The beginning of the year, so as of now, filming of this video, I have only bought one Jordan brand sneaker. Yep, one. And that was the Bread for Reimaginings. Yep. So I feel good. Even though I've bought 4 pair of SBs this year. That's nuts. Somebody send some help. Just like I said in the other video that I made the other day about how many pair of shoes is too many. I might be up against that if they keep leaving these. I keep snagging these SBs for retail. Yeah. Send help, please. Sneakerholics Anonymous. Hi, my name is Money Matt, and I'm an addict. Yeah. But that's all I got for you today, man. Just want to show you guys these. They're not new. They dropped in October, but it was pretty few and far between when people could get them. Skate shops had them here and there, but the sneakers app dropped a whole bunch of dunks last week on the reserve, and I was able to pick them up for retail. So that was a good day. Oh yeah, and this is another thing right here. Now, I don't have no SB laces or fat oval laces in the sale color. But what I did is throw some white ones in there just to see what it could potentially look like with some sale laces in there. Let me see what we got here, man. I think I need to order some sale laces, bro. Cause that kind of makes that shoe pop even more. Even with these dark colors on here with the green and then the deep royal blue, bruh. Yeah, I think I need to I need to order some sale laces, bro. Let me know what y'all think, bro. Am I off my shit, or yeah, I need some sale oval laces in here to make this shoe go? I think so. Let me know down below. I'm gonna get on out of here, bro. I'm gonna go do something. It's the weekend. I ain't doing nothing important with my life today, but stuffing my face with food. That's about all I got. Don't forget to leave a like and comment below on how you feel about these and what I should pair up with these as far as outfits go. Let me know down in the comments, man. I'm your boy. I'm gonna get on out of here. Peace.